Welcome to solve this nice algebra problem. A to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to 37. How do we solve for a and b? Without further delay, let us begin. Recall that x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3 is equal to x minus y times x to the power of 2 plus xy plus y to the power of 2. Take note of this property, very important. Applying this property to this left hand side, we have a minus b times a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2 equal to the right hand side 37. We have a minus b times a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b square equal to 37 could be written as 1 times 37. This implies that a minus b go to 1. Likewise, a square plus ab plus b square go to 37. So we have a minus b equal to 1 and a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 37. Let us call this equation 1 and let us call this equation 2. Rewriting this left hand side, we have a square plus b square plus ab equal to 37. So a square plus b square, ab could be written as minus 2ab plus 3ab equal to 37. What do you notice there? You will notice that a square plus b square minus 2ab is the same thing as a minus b all to the power of 2. That is, when you expand a minus b to the power of 2, you will arrive at this. From this line now, we are going to have a minus b all square plus 3ab equal to 37. Now, since a minus b is equals to 1, let me show you. That's exactly our first equation. A minus b is equals to 1. We will now plug in the value of a minus b into this guy. So we have 1 to the power of 2 plus 3ab equal to 37. What is 1 to the power of 2? That is simply 1 plus 3ab equal to 37. This implies that 3ab is equal to 37 minus 1. When we transfer 1 to the right side, so 3ab is equals to 37 minus 1, that is simply 36. Divided both sides by 3, we have 3ab over 3 equal to 36 over 3. 3 cancel 3, ab is equals to 3 here 1, 3 in 36, that is simply 12. So ab is equals to 12. Let us call this equation 3. That's the third equation. Let us now consider equation 1 and 3. From equation 1 and 3, what do we have? From equation 1, we have a minus b to be equal to 1. A minus b is equal to 1. And equation 3, we have ab equals to 12. This is equation 1 and this is equation 3. We can now solve easily for a and b. From equation 1, you will notice that a is equals to 1 plus b. When we transfer minus b to the right side, now let us substitute this value of a, which is 1 plus b, into equation 3. So substitute a into equation 3. This left hand side now becomes 1 plus b times b equal to 12. 1 times b, that is b, plus b times b, that is b square, equal to 12. This implies that b square plus b minus 12 is equal to 0. By transferring this 12 to the left side, we have this. Let's proceed further. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. This gives b square B could be written as 4b minus 3b minus 12 equal to 0. The common terms here is b, so we have b into b plus 4. Minus 3 is the common terms here, so we factor it out. We have minus 3 into b plus 4 equal to 0. This implies that b plus 4 times b minus 3 is equal to 0, which in turn gives b plus 4 equal to 0 or b minus 3 equal to 0. So clearly b is equals to negative 4 or b is equals to 3. Thus, we have two values for b, minus 4 and 3. We can then use these values of b to obtain the value of a. Since a minus b is equal to 1, this is exactly equation 1. Let me show you. A minus b is equals to 1. Let's proceed further. We will now consider each case when b is equals to minus 4 and when b is equals to 3. Taking when b is equals to minus 4 first. When b is equals to minus 4, from here we are going to have a is equals to 1 plus b when minus b comes to the right side. So a is equals to 1 plus, what is b? B is negative 4. We have negative 4, which in turn gives a equal to 1 plus times minus, that is negative. So we have 4. A is equals to 1 minus 4, that is simply negative 3. Thus, the first solution, a comma b, is equal to a is negative 3, comma b is simply negative 4, negative 4. This is the first solution. Now, let us consider the case when b is equals to 3. When b is equals to 3, we will just plug the value of b, which is 3, into this guy. So a is equals to 1 plus b. A equal to 1 plus, what is b? B is 3. We have 3. Clearly, a is equals to 4. Thus, the second solution, which is a comma b, is equal to a is 4 and b is simply 3. We have 4 comma 3. Therefore, the two solutions that we have are minus 3 comma minus 4 and 4 comma 3. This is the required solution. That's it. Thanks for watching.